B engine this time. Last time was C.
This one may not go as high because it's a much smaller engine.
Makes that big of a difference?
Yeah, this may be lackluster compared to the first time. That was all. It's all like a rocket.
Gavin, come behind here.
Okay, Gavin, countdown.
3, 2, 1.
Oh! I could see it that time. Wow.
Yeah, that didn't go even
There,
close.
parachutes deployed, Gavin.
That didn't even go
Look.
even close to as high as it did last time.
Uh-oh. It's still coming in hot, but the parachute deployed.
Uh-oh. Jeez.
Whoops.